The Oppo A3s features a stylish design with a large 6.2-inch screen. The glossy design with the shadows on the back adds a sense of elegance to the phone. The phone is available in two color options, dark purple and red. This phone comes in two variants. The 2GB RAM variant has 16GB internal memory, which can be expanded to 64GB using a microSD card. The 3GB RAM variant comes with 32GB internal memory, which can be expanded to 256GB using a microSD card. The Oppo A3s has dual SIM slots that support 4G Volt capability. It has a 6.2-inch capacitive touchscreen with a HD resolution of 1520 by 720 pixels. The phone also has facial recognition for speedy unlock process. The phone features a 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual rear camera with LED flash. The 8-megapixel front camera with AI Beauty Optimizer recognizes and beautifies your features for good quality selfies. The Oppo A3s runs on Android Oreo-based ColorOS 5.1 operating system and is powered by the 1.8 GHz Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor, which makes it a good choice for smooth gaming and multitasking. This phone is powered by a large 4230 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, user manual, warranty card, SIM card tool, a protective case and a screen film. The Oppo A3s is made available through various EMI options, net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards.